What's up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I lost about $1,600 trading options and futures today. I never really show, a lot of my losses. I like to show a lot of my wins because it helps motivate people. But I think there's a lot to learn from my losses, and not a lot of people like to show them. So I wanted to come on here, give you a video, kind of show you exactly why I ended up losing about $1,600 today trading QQQ calls and getting futures on MNQ as well. So let's go ahead, dive into it now. What I was mainly watching on NQ, it was kind of a multitude of a few different things, okay? So NQ as the day opened on futures, we had this very tight balance range here, right? Price is in a very tight channel. And what I saw happen was that price came down, we're in this channel, and price comes down, we stop hunt, right? So this move right here is just to take out all of these stops right here. You have a bunch of people who are long overnight, right? And this move takes them out, stops hunt them, okay? Now when I see that, and then I see price immediately rally back higher, now I start to think, okay, we stop hunted, price is rotating back into balance, we're gonna look to get a move to the other side, and possibly take out this liquidity up here, okay? Now, when price ended up doing that, I wasn't watching it at the time, okay? But I saw that price ended up making its move, it came all the way up to the top here, and then we ended up pulling back a little bit. I said, okay, we had the stop hunt, right? We came back on top of balance. I think we're going to run up towards this liquidity. So I'm like, okay, perfect. Let me get in on a pullback. Price comes down. We take out this liquidity right here, right? Stop hunt that low. And at this point, I see this fast move higher. On this next candle, as we come back down, I get in long, okay? I get in calls and I get in MNQ futures. So I'm in around here, right? My stop is down here. My target's all the way up here, okay? So at this point, I'm looking at, let's see, about 1.3 risk reward. Okay, nothing crazy, but a solid trade, right? Beautiful setup. Price chops around for a little bit. We pop up, and we end up just consolidating above the high for a little bit, and we end up dumping. Okay, we end up dumping all the way down here. Okay, and I had my stops automatically set, so when price came down here, I just automatically got stopped out. Wasn't even watching the chart when it happened, but I was very close to getting to my target. Okay. Very, very close to this target, okay? So looking at Qs as well, we came up, let's see right here, target was a little bit above this area, and we were about 5 cents away. So I tweeted that, 5 cents away from my target, okay? But guys, I want you guys to understand something, right? When I see here, follow my plan, that's all I can do, like that's all I can do, right? I'm not gonna sit here and say, okay, this was a bad trade. I think it was a good trade. I think maybe what I can learn from it next time is that, okay, maybe I could have moved my target a little bit closer. Maybe I could have got out some partials at this liquidity right here, okay? That's what I learned from this trade. I definitely could have looked for lower liquidity levels to get out some and hold runners for up here and then up here, okay? But other than that, I think it was a very solid trade, okay? A lot of times trades, there's a lot you can learn from them, but there's also times where you just did everything you could and you still lose money. That's why trading can be very hard sometimes. It can be very stressful, okay? You guys need to keep in mind that the strategy and the systems work, okay? It's not going to work 100% of the time, not even going to work like 80 or 70% of the time, but 65, maybe sometimes 70%, it's going to work, okay? And as long as I know that, and as I know I stick to my plan, I'm going to make money in the long run, okay? So I wanted to come on here and show you guys my loss, a lot that you can learn from it as well. I had a plan on SPY as well. You can see, came up to this hourly supply zone I had marked. So every morning I do a plan on SPY in the Freedom team. Right here is the plan I put out for this morning. And you can see how, I had the supply zone marked. We came up, tapped it, and immediately came back lower. Now, could I have been looking to short up here? Yes, but I was already in my QQQ trade, and I told myself I'd be done for the day. Okay, I'm not going to chase back my losses here. Okay, there's no reason to just revenge trade. I'm not going to do that. And I want to really teach you guys that you need to be able to just take 1 or 2 trades for the day and then be done. Okay, you don't need to sit here all day, take for every trade. I'm like, oh, there's a supply zone. I'm going to go here and trade it. No, guys, trading is not about taking every trade. It's only about taking your high-quality setups. And sometimes those high-quality setups make you lose money. And that's totally fine. That is trading, and that is part of the game, okay? Now, if you guys made it to the end of this video here, I'm going to give you a surprise, okay? Since you guys stuck to the end, all right, okay, you guys are a real one. You guys stuck to the end. I have a few more spots open for the Freedom team here, okay? Students have been absolutely crushing it lately. It's been absolutely insane. I have tons of interviews you guys can see on my website. But If you do, send me a DM on Twitter. Go to my Twitter. First link is going to be in the description. Send me a DM that says YouTube. If you send me the word YouTube in a DM, I'll know you came from this video, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to secure your spot in the Freedom Team, okay? I only take 15 people a month for my one-on-one coaching, but for you guys, if you DM me the word YouTube, I'm going to guarantee you a spot inside of the Freedom Team, okay? So thank you guys so much for being real one. Hope you guys can learn from this loss that I took and hopefully apply it to your trading as well. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much. Please leave a like, subscribe, DM me the word YouTube because I know you're a real one, and I'll see you all inside of the Freedom Team and on my Twitter and whatever it is. I'll see you guys in the next video.